Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve privacy on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Then you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of CapCut. Then you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.